Hi everyone, I'm coming on today to share a swap before I put it in the mail. This swap was hosted by Janiva, and her YouTube channel is Purposely Crafting the Divine Intervention. I will put her link below in the description box. So the requirements were to make a matchbook that holds a card that we made, and then the items to make 3 more cards just like it. So this is my matchbook. This is the cover, and then a dangle on the matchbook was also a requirement. And then here's the inside. You can see the pockets. So in this pocket I have the ingredients to make the card, which I will show you. And then this is the embellishments that go on the card. And here, let me move this out of the way. Here is my card. It's a little popsicle, and this is a cabochon and a bow, and then some perler beads that I melted. So those will all be in the matchbook so that the recipient can make these cards. And then it just opens up like that, and you can write in it. And then we had to include the envelopes also, okay. And then another requirement was a Memorydex card. So this is my Memdex card. I did here, let me pick it up. I did a beach bag, so it's got acetate on the front, and then a little bow and a little charm dangle, and then some die cuts that I shrunk down to fit inside the beach bag. I think that turned out really cute. And then we also had to do 4 embellishments. So here are my embellishments. I did, underneath this, you can't see it, but it's an ice cream cart that I laminated to hold these embellishments. So they're just little ice creams, and each one has a cabochon and then a little fruit charm. And then I've just got a little sticky on the back so that the person can remove these and put them on something else. So I think everything turned out really cute. I'm excited to get this in the mail today. We had to make 3 kits, and then of course I made 4 so that I can give an extra kit to Janiva. Oh, and then we had to do a store-bought goodie. So my store-bought goodie is this cute notebook. I felt like it matched the summer theme. See, and there's these sunglasses. And then this is a cute mermaid tote pencil bag that I am including. So that includes my swap. I hope you liked watching it. And like I said, I will link Janiva's link below. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.